I call these irresistible Muddy Buddies because you can't resist eating them. Peanut butter and chocolate melted together and coated onto crispy rice cereal, then dusted with powdered sugar. I've been making these since I was a kid, and I can't wait to show you how to make them today on the Stay-at-Home Chef. To make Muddy Buddies, you just need a handful of ingredients. The blank canvas for Muddy Buddies is Rice CHEX cereal. Whether it be brand name or generic, they will be delicious and will work great. We need 9 cups for this recipe. A 12-ounce box measures out to just about that much. If you want to use corn CHEX cereal as a substitute, it will also work great. To give this boring cereal some life, we're going to sweeten it up. You can use a microwave-safe bowl or saucepan to melt the next ingredients. I'm using a saucepan, but you can find the microwave tips and tricks on the recipe card. Add to the saucepan 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, which the semi-sweetness in them really is balanced out by the powdered sugar at the end. But if you want to use milk chocolate chips, that's also great. Add in 1 cup of peanut butter, the creamy variety, and 6 tablespoons of salted butter. Now we're going to transfer this to the stove. Place that over low-medium heat and stir it as it gradually melts, which will take about 4 to 5 minutes. The chocolate peanut butter mixture needs to be smooth and creamy, and once it gets there, we're going to remove that from the heat and add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure to stir that in. Then pour that over the rice cereal. Then using a spoon, carefully stir that in. Don't get crazy doing this because you don't want to break up the cereal, because then you'll just have a great big chunk of fun to eat. Once the rice CHEX are evenly coated with the peanut butter and chocolate mixture, all you need to do is coat them with the powdered sugar. Into a large resealable bag, add in the powdered sugar. You might need to use 2 bags for this. Then add in the coated cereal. Go ahead and seal that bag up. And shake it to coat the cereal. If you've mixed everything together in a large bowl that has a seal-tight lid, just add the powdered sugar onto that, lid it up, and shake, baby, shake. And there you have an irresistible snack that is so easy to make. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayathomechef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.